Okay, simplify. So this one right here, you got to make sure you distribute the negative to the three terms. So negative, negative, negative. So I'm going to rewrite this without parentheses. Negative 5x plus 23 minus 14x squared minus 18 plus 3x squared plus x. So I distributed my negative. That changed the sign of the 18, the 3, and the x. Now then I'm going to group my like terms. The x squares go first, the x's go second, and the constants go third. Okay, so I'm going to combine the like terms. Negative 14 plus 3 is a negative 11x squared. Then my double underlines, I have a negative 5, and this is understood to be a 1. This sign's going to be negative. I'm going to take a 1 away from 5, get 4, the letters x, sign, number, letter. And then my 23 and 18, I got more 23s. The sign's going to be positive. The signs are different, so I'm taking 18 away from 23, and I'm going to get 5. This would be my difference. Let's go to this one. Same thing. We're going to distribute the negative. Make sure you can distribute a negative. So negative 19 minus 11x squared minus 4x minus 6x plus 9x squared plus 13. Okay, so I'm going to single underline my x squares, double underline my x's, and triple underline my 19 and 13s. Okay, so I have 11x squared and 9. I have more 11s, so the sign's going to be negative. This is negative, that's positive. I'm going to subtract 9 away from 11 is 2. My letter's x, my exponent's 2. Sign, number, letter, exponent. And then I'm going to combine my x's. 6 is more than 4. I have more 6's than I do 4's, so the sign's going to be negative. The 6's are negative and the 4's are negative, so I'm going to add and keep the sign, which is negative. And you would get 10, and the letters x, sign, number, letter. And then you combine your 19 and 13. I got more 19's than I do 13's, and the 19's negative. Put down a negative. The 19's negative, the 13's positive. They're different. I'm going to subtract. I'm going to take 13 away from 19 and get 6. This right here is my difference.